how to trade the CCI indicator extreme trading signals like a pro. How to trade the CCI indicator extreme trading signals like a pro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders, and our website is www.dayprotraders.com for CCI trading. This tutorial is to help traders to trade the CCI indicator like a pro. And today I want to share with you, trading, day trading and swing trading tips, position trading tips that one can use, to trade the CCI extreme trading signal. All right, what is the CCI extreme trading signal? All right. At the end of this tutorial, one will be able to identify the CCI extreme trading signal and be able to trade it like a professional trader. Okay, let's get started. All right. So the CCI indicator, the CCI stand for, this is for new traders. So the CCI stand for the commodity channel index. So CCI indicator means the commodity channel index indicator. All right. So a trading signal is different from a trading setup. All right. A trading setup will generate a trading signal. All right. So the extreme CCI trading signal will originate from, the extreme CCI trading setup, all right? And the extreme CCI trading setup will occur when the CCI reaches the level of 200, positive 200, or minus 200, all right? Let me explain myself. So we have here, I'm looking at Intuitive Surgical Incorporation, EPIC ISRG, India Sierra Romeo Golf. This is American stock listed on the NASDAQ 100, So here we can see that the CCI period 14, or the commodity channel index period 14, when above the level of positive 200, that's the blue horizontal line on my chart here, This is a CCI extreme trading setup that will generate a CCI extreme trading signal. Why we call it extreme? Because normally the CCI is overbought in a zone of positive 100, all right? But if it goes up to the level of 200 or more, we will talk about extreme trading setup or extreme CCI trading signal, which usually take place above the level of positive 200 or negative, negative or minus, 200. So the first thing first, we want to know when and where the CCI extreme trading signal will take place. They will occur when the CCI reaches the level of positive 200 or negative 200 or plus 200 or minus 200 level. Anything else is not, what we call, the CCI extreme trading signal. So very, very important, all right? You want to get it right. So we have here one scenario, it goes above, we will prefer it to go above the level of positive 100 or to go below the negative 100. I want to talk now about positive, when it goes above the level of positive 200, 200s, all right? When the CCI, when the CCI goes above the level of positive 200, we will draw a line to highlight the price point where the CCI goes above the level of positive 200 for the first time. So my line here, pay attention, I'm going to color it now into orange, Here it is highlighting, this line here is highlighting the point where the CCI crosses above the level of positive 200. That's all I need. So now you see here, all right? So what is the next step? The next step, we will use what we call a top-down trading method to trade it. Why? Because when the CCI, okay, rises above the level of 200, is indicating to us a very, very strong bullish momentum. Now, generally, a lot of traders will say that is indicating to us that the financial instrument is overbought. No, it's telling us that the CCI has reached a level where it's likely to turn around. So the CCI may be overbought, but the asset may not be overbought. All right? So the limit for the CCI is above positive 100. And if it goes beyond that, we will say that probably the CCI is likely to start changing direction. In normal condition, all right, in normal condition. So we draw the line. What are we looking for? We will now look for either a bullish chart pattern above that line or a bullish trading setup above that line or a bullish trading signal above that line. So here it is. I have my line here because the CCI period 14 goes above the level of 200, which is extreme CCI progression. All right. So what am I talking about? Bullish chart pattern, bullish signal, bullish trading setup. Okay, if the price goes up and display higher lows and higher high, okay, a higher low after a higher high is an invitation to buy. So there is one here. So price went up, display a higher high. In fact, here we see there was a consolidation. So another thing I need to mention to you, if the price is consolidation for too long, and we see the extreme CCI condition, we may be prepared for a new trend in normal condition. Sometimes you may not see that, okay? But sometimes we may see a new trend. That was the case here. Price was consolidating. Here it is, the CCI went above positive 200, indicating to us a strong bullish momentum is about to begin. We acknowledge that information and we wait for the price to confirm it to us. So if a strong bullish momentum is in place, the price will start breaking resistance on the left-hand side, start displaying higher lows and higher highs. So this information is telling us that there is a strong bullish momentum in place. So what should we do? Okay, I have a question for you. What should we do if, for instance, we see a extreme CCI trading setup, okay, but the price does not confirm it? Well, that's the opposite signal. What do I mean by opposite signal? Well, in normal condition, when we have the CCI above 200, the price should confirm it by displaying higher lows and high. But if it fails to display higher lows and high, well, though the CCI is indicating to us that we have a strong bullish momentum, but the price starts displaying lower lows, lower high, we will sell instead on the edge. That's what I meant by the opposite signal. So here, somebody who understands the language of the CCI indicator or the extreme CCI signal will know that this is a bullish trading setup. Well, a trading setup is not a trading signal. So what we will do, we will put a line there, put this stock, intuitive surgical incorporation on our bullish watch list. Now, a TSTWSY S008 trader know exactly what to do at this point in time for swing trading purposes. A TSTW24 trader for a day trading purposes know exactly that he or she must go to the first best time frame, okay, without violating the market pattern, wait for the market to open because we have what? A bullish trading setup. The information here is a leading information, leading signal that is provided by the CCI indicating to us that the bullish momentum is about to begin and is going to be very, very strong. You see that information here is this information given by the CCI period 14 has alerted smart traders that a trend is about to begin at this point in time, consolidation, breakout, blah, 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 higher lows and high. It has already at this point in time indicate to us that a trend is likely to begin. That trend has started and it's the trend that end up here. Okay? This is about how to trade the CCI indicator, extreme trading signal like a pull, when the commodity channel index indicator goes above the level of 200. Though I am using the CCI period 14, one can use CCI period 20 with the same rules apply. It goes above 200 is extreme trading signal. Okay, so here we will use a top-down trading method to trade it. I'm on a monthly chart. This is more to do with position trading. So monthly chart for the trading setup. I will be a little bit curious, go to a quarterly chart to see the bigger picture. This is about the validation of the trading setup. Okay. Then I will push it down to the daily chart for the trading signal. Then I will enter the trade either on the hourly chart or 30-minute time frame. I may zoom into it at the time when I'm about to enter the trade, even go down to the 10-minute time frame. Isn't it beautiful? Here it is, boom, up. Okay, it displays a new higher high. Okay, we know the information here that the bullish momentum must be strong. If it's strong, it's break resistance on the left-hand side. Now here it is, it break this one. Great, display a new higher high. What are we waiting for? All right, we are waiting for a new higher low. But here the price has formed equal low. Are you with me? Form an equal low here. So it's a double bottom chart pattern. Well, a double bottom chart pattern is what? It's a bullish chart pattern that is taking place above our warning line, this orange line here. Game on, my friend. A double bottom pattern. We can be a little bit conservative, be a little bit patient because we know the previous high is here. We may decide to enter the trade above it right here. Above this high here because the price did below the previous high before forming a double bottom pattern. We may say, okay, I want to be a little bit patient while it goes below the previous high. And once it crosses, it turn around. Remember, turn around. We'll use again a top-down trading method right here after this candle here. A top-down trading method, okay, without violating the market pattern or without committing any of the 7 biggest trading mistakes. Go to www.dayprotraders.com, check out the 7 biggest trading mistakes. It makes sense? It is also powerful. This is how we trade the CCI extreme signal, okay? There is another scenario here, the CCI. Again, the same stock, Intuitive Surgical Incorporation. Here again, it goes above 200. So this information was given to us. It's not yet finished, but it's confirming. This is a second confirmation for us that the bullish momentum is still in place. Goes above again 200. Saying to me, George, you haven't seen anything yet. More to come. So I say, well, acknowledge information. I wait for the price to confirm to me. I'm not trading the CCI, I'm trading the price. But when I see a bullish trade setup, I don't buy straight away like the old-fashioned way. I will use a top-down trading method to trade it on the edge, all right, without ignoring the market environment. You see, last week, we have some high-impact economy news that has changed the dynamics of the market, okay? So here again, you see here, let me remove my orange. So we see here, it crosses above the level of positive 200. Which price corresponds to that level? Okay, let's find out, okay? Where it crosses here. Here you see this tall candle here. This one, this candle here, corresponds to the second time when it crosses. So what I will do, let's put another line there. Above, okay? At that point in time. Above that high. What are we looking for? Bullish chart pattern above that warning line. Okay, price displaying higher lows, higher high to confirm to us the information given to us by the extreme CCI trading setup here, which went above the positive 200. Are you with me? So here it is. This is our warning line, the orange line. Right from a new higher high in comparison to this previous high. Now it displays a new higher low on the edge of our warning line. Well, what is that? It's an invitation to buy. But we are cautious traders. We don't just buy, okay? We don't just buy, all right? We use a top-down trading method to buy. So if the signal fell, we are not in it. We wait. Here it is again. This is a trading setup. The extreme, okay, CCI trading setup that will generate the CCI indicator extreme trading signal on the signal time frame. Then we will select a low risk entry point to enter the trade. Boom, here it is, it goes up again. Isn't it beautiful? So now I have a question for you, or a homework for you. Here it is, another one. This time, here it is. We are now here, this candle, the last candle last week. I'm on the monthly chart, so here it is, this candle here, the last candle still by here. The CCI period 14 is about to cross above the level of 200 again. Is this a good one or is it a bad one? Now you know the drill. What do you need to do? All right, I leave it to you to think of it. So you will put the warning line above that high. Okay, so next week you are watching which level? Let me tell you now. For traders that are trading this stock, we'll be watching, okay, the level of 595. Call it 596, okay? 596. We want to see higher lows, a higher high above that level. And we want to see bullish chart pattern above it to confirm it. If we don't see that, if the price does not confirm this information here, because we want it to go above 200 at least, but it's about to cross it. So we are watching it now. It's on our list. All right? If it doesn't confirm it, what does it mean? It means the opposite signal. But remember, for traders that want to trade like a pro, they will go one step ahead. So they will not stop on the monthly chart because of this trading setup, because they are maturing. They will say, George, I want to be a little bit curious. Now this is a trading setup. Okay. I want to go now to the quarterly chart and see the bigger picture. So this is about the validation of the trading setup. So he or she may say, okay, on the quarterly chart, it looks to me, George, that this looks like a double top. So I need to be careful here because the price went up. Now it came down 1, 2, 3, and went up again 1, 2, 3, forming a double top. So this is a resistance level. I will be very careful. Is it forming a flat correction pattern at the end of this bullish trend? What is taking place here? Because a bullish trend was in place for too long, George, I don't want to be the last person to buy here. Or I may stay out of this trading setup. I don't want to be bullish at this point in time because the stock went up too far. I'll look for another. Okay, this is a smart way. So, or another trader may say, George, I don't want to stop on the quarterly chart because I use TC2000. I can see the yearly chart. I want to see what's going on here. Are we above the high of last year? Yes, we are. Okay, so now the price is at the high of 2012. Okay, so it's a key level. I will wait, all right? And I will be very, very cautious, okay? This is the mindset that we want traders to adopt, so they may trade like a pro, okay? It makes sense? So this is about how to trade the CCI indicator, extreme trading signal, okay, like a pro. I will call this one, okay? I will be recording another video when I will show you more examples so you may master how to trade the CCI indicator, extreme trading signal like a pro. If you have any question, put it in the comment section, all right? If you want me to record another video, similar video, stay on topic, all right? Ask me a specific question in the comment section. And in due course, okay, I will be recording another video to answer your question. There are traders asking questions, and we are recording videos, okay, to answer their specific question. All right? We wish you the very best in your trading. And until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. To summarize this video, the CCI extreme trading signal will occur when the CCI goes above the level of positive 200 or negative 200. We will draw, okay, a warning line for the scenario where the CCI goes above positive 200. We are looking for bullish chart pattern, price displaying high, lows, high. It's indicating to us that a bullish momentum is very strong, but the price must confirm the warning given to us by the CCI. This trading strategy is valid for all settings for CCI, though here in this tutorial, I'm using the CCI period 14. It's valid for the CCI period 30, period 18, period 12, okay? The level of 200 is extreme, okay? A bullish strength, all right? I will be recording another video when I will show traders how to deal with, okay, the opposite side of this trading strategy when the CCI goes, okay, below negative 200. All right, so stay tuned and more are coming soon. I will also, now we're on a monthly chart, okay, for this demonstration. I will go to the hourly chart also for another stock, and I will go to the daily chart also for another stock, so you may see everything clearly, and you may be able to trade it like a pro, okay? It makes sense? It is also powerful. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the CCI indicator, a stream trading signal like a pro. Speak to you soon.